Imagine the master architect of your body, the tireless construction crew that builds and repairs everything from your muscles and bones to your skin and hair. This is protein. It's not just one thing. It's a vast collection of molecules made from building blocks called amino acids, and they are responsible for nearly every process that keeps you alive. Proteins form the very structure of your tissues. They are the enzymes that digest your food and spark the chemical reactions creating energy. They are the hormones, like insulin, that act as messengers, regulating your entire system. And they are your body's defense force, forming the antibodies that fight off infections. So, how much of this essential material do you actually need? The standard guideline, the recommended dietary allowance, is about 0.8 grams per kilogram of your body weight. For an average man, that's roughly 56 grams a day. For an average woman, about 46. But many experts now see this as a baseline for preventing deficiency, not necessarily for optimal health. For active people, that number could be much higher. And it seems we've all gotten the message. In the past year, 61% of Americans increased their protein intake, with the majority planning to eat even more. But this protein boom comes with a crucial question. Can there be too much of a good thing? Recent research is painting a complicated picture. A study published in Nature Metabolism in early 2024 sounded an alarm. It suggested that when more than 22% of your daily calories come from protein, it might increase the risk of heart disease by activating immune cells linked to atherosclerotic plaque. Yet, just 2 years earlier, Harvard researchers found something completely different. Their work linked higher protein intake, especially when it replaced carbohydrates, to a lower risk of cognitive decline later in life. We're left with a paradox. Is what's good for the brain a risk for the heart? The answer might depend on who you are and what you do. For an athlete, protein is non-negotiable. Physical activity creates microtrauma in muscle fibers, and protein is the essential repair crew. Consuming around 20 to 25 grams shortly after exercise helps flip the switch from muscle breakdown to an anabolic, muscle-building state. Spreading that intake throughout the day ensures a steady supply of amino acids for continuous repair. Perhaps the most critical question is not just how much, but where it comes from.
The old gym mantra held that animal protein was superior for building muscle. But a 2025 study from the University of Illinois challenged that idea, demonstrating that vegan diets can be equally effective for muscle growth when combined with resistance training. Plant-based sources are powerful. A cup of cooked lentils packs about 18 grams of protein. Tofu offers 20 grams per cup, and seitan, made from wheat gluten, provides a massive 25 grams in a small serving. The choice of source also has ripples far beyond our bodies. Producing 100 grams of protein from beef can result in 50 kilograms of CO2 equivalent emissions. That same amount from tofu, just 3. So, protein's story is one of profound complexity. It is the fundamental substance that builds, repairs, and fuels us. But optimizing its role in our health is a delicate balance. It's about understanding that more isn't always better, and that the source of our strength matters, not just for our muscles or our minds, but for the health of the planet. It's a nutrient that demands we think beyond a simple number on a label and consider the whole picture of our health.